Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today I will share my favorite story, my favorite movie. Before that, I want to introduce myself. My name is Nurifa Atila binti Muhammad Syafri. I am 20 years old this year. I was born on Hospital Sempurna. I was born in 25 November 2001. So stay tuned with my next video. So now I want to start share my favorite movie. My favorite movie is Sichin. Before I start, I want to introduce my favorite movie. Okay. Sichin is actually origin Turkish in 2014 because it's real. Usually in some ghost movies there are many fairy tales such as Indonesian horror that hours act in the dark and hours a lot of lighting. In many of these ghost movies that are so interesting to me that I can be carried away in a dream. All the episodes I was watch. Secondly, I'm also a fan of horror stories and love to find out about mystical things. Since then, I have not felt scared because I see too often the subtle things. Obsessed with ghost movie, and I have also been disturbed by jinn because every time I feel depressed or sick, then I am hysterical. Osner is a young and beautiful woman. She has a platonic love since childhood to Kudret, who is her cousin. Kudret, however, is married to a woman named Nisa and is very happy. So Osnur feels jealous and uses terrible black magic to change this, so that she and Kudret will be together. However, she is not prepared for the evil that this spell unleashes. So, Osner has been in love with her own son, Kudret, so to know if he is suitable for her. She goes to a black magician who warned her that Kudret could be the reason for her destruction. Then there is a time lapse of 12 years when Kudret is happily married to Nisa with a child who is blind and a bedridden mother in law. His wife remains in the confinement of her house, tending to the needs of her mother and daughter. Kudrat all the while often comes home every late and engages in a illicit insexual sex with his cousin. Osnur, who is still in love with him, seduces him to be impregnated by him so that he may be forced to marry her. Osnur, however, miscarries and Kudrat is happy to be unburned, after which he tells her to never come back to his life and leave her in a pathetic condition. Osnur Adnan and Hikran a happy marriage. However, when their son died as a result of a mysterious accident, Adnan becomes distant from his wife. Hikran starts investigating her past to see how it could connect to the death of her son. A woman has had her little child squeezed and killed after the jinns have turned the cabinet over him. As she found out that this was not a coincidence or a matter of death, and life rather a malignant black magic has been added to harm their family. So after that, their marriage falls apart. Son Hikron begins to see strange things and turns to a holy man for help. The holy man tells her that she had been cursed the most, find the female blood relative who had cast the spell, and so Hikron tried to unravel the truth before more damage is done. The film Season 3, which tells the story of three friends who have separated as a result of some events that have befallen them. Section 3, this tells the story of a man named Orhan who has lost his much loved wife and he lived his life of silence. As a result of not being able to accept the loss of his wife, he excavated his wife's grave and brought home his wife's body. He had enlisted the help of a jinn to revive his dead wife. The ceremony of reviving his wife, named Katre, was performed at his house in the carry section with the door closed, and no one was allowed to enter there. On the night he brought his wife's body home, he had placed his wife a cadre at the bottom that no one knew about. Orhan recited the mantra in the hope that his wife would come back to life and live with him. As soon as the mantra was recited, a few minutes later, the jinn had resembled his wife and only Orhan could see the glimpse of his voice. Orhan takes good care of his wife and Kadir does not remember the event that have happened to him. The house they live in is very creepy and Orhan is guarding the house so that no one can enter. Orhan's friend Sadat has visited Orhan's house and found the house quite creepy. He had entered the house and entered the forbidden part which housed the corpse of the cadre with the spell resting on the part of his hand. Orhan was just arrived, was shocked. His wife was gone and he went crazy. The Yilmaz family was very rich in the past, but the situation has changed over time. The family will have to move back in with Grandma Saadat because of the financial problem they are experiencing. Unfortunately, Saadat is not alone in her old house. It has been taken over by descendants from another unearthly kingdom. If the family comes home, they will not be welcomed by their supernatural inhabitants because they do not want anyone from Yilmaz family in the house. A girl is haunted by an evil spirit in her family home. Several bad things began to happen around her house and to her family members. An old character rises back and tries to save the family from their doomed fate. So that this movie that I share is all about Simpsons movie. This movie is favorite evil because the story is too real until I get to the dream. I cannot sleep because that movie too scary. But this movie is much better than often because the ghost too real, not like another horror movie. The ghost too fake. We don't scare. I watched this section from season 1 until season 6 and I give 10/10 for the movie. We don't scare. I watched this section from season 1 until season 6 and I give 10/10 for the movie. So that's all for me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.